S is a point on PQ such that TS to SQ is 4 is to 5. So this part is 4, this part is 5. The total length is 9. Yes, this is 4 is to 5. They are asking us to find OS. So OS, this vector we have to find. So how can we write OS? OS vector is equal to, I can start from this OP plus TS. Yes, OP plus TS. So we know OP is A vector and TS, do we know? We don't know. But we know it is a 4 by 9 of PQ. Yes or no? 4 by 9. Because 4, this part, the total part is 9. 4 by 9 of PQ. Yes, how can we find PQ? PQ is PO plus OQ. Yes, so PO is minus A plus B. Okay, so now what is this OS vector is A vector plus 4 by 9 of minus A plus B vector. So if we expand this A plus, so if I'm bringing this inside, it becomes minus 4 by 9A plus 4 by 9B. Now if you take LCM, you'll get 9A minus 4A by 9 plus 4 by 9B. So it is 5A by 9 plus 4 by 9B. So this is the answer. This is the OS vector in terms of A and B.